What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. I hope everybody's having a good day. Today we have a 2003 Nissan Frontier, and I'm sure how to take this radio out and install your own radio. If this is your first time tuning in to the channel, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we do: car audio tutorials, radio movers, Q&As, installs, and all that type of stuff. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and jump right on into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my panel removal tool right here in this corner. I'm going to try to pop that up. It's going to give me a little leeway till I can get my finger up under here. Pop that side up. Now I can get up under here. Do the same thing to the other side. There we go. Now that part can sit right there. Next we have two Phillips right here in the middle. Next we have two Phillips right here at the top. Now that that's off, we should be able to just pull this forward. Try this little piece. Look at that. Thing just slide forward once I got it from the bottom. Let's go ahead and take this harness off. Let's take that harness off. And let's take, well, I guess we don't need to take it off, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna leave that one at the bottom because it's not bothering me. Next, we're gonna move those harnesses out the way, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips, and we'll have that radio. Now we can go ahead and snatch that radio out. Disconnect harnesses and the antenna. All right, guys, so we got that radio out. Now let's go over here to the test bench and let's get this dash prepped to receive our double din. All right, guys, so if I could be honest with y'all, you actually don't really need a dash kit for this. The reason they make a dash kit is because it's literally just going to be the trim. So there is these brackets that come off of here that are going to have to go on to the aftermarket radio, and what they want you to do is break this little piece off of here, break that off of there, break this in the middle. You're gonna take this piece, you're gonna come over here, and you're going to kind of just plop that right there. I don't think there's any like particular way that this has to go. Just want to put one on the left, put one on the right. So that's pretty much all the dash kit is literally just the trim. In order to actually mount this aftermarket radio in the cavity, we're going to have to take these off. So let's take these off first and put them on the new radio. Alright, so as you can see, we've taken the bracket off of the factory radio, put it on the aftermarket. With this one, this is a Bose radio, or Boss radio, I'm sorry. So usually your radio has like T and N on there, like engraved, so these things line up. This one doesn't line up as perfect as I would like, but the two at the bottom do line. Either way, I put one at the bottom, our little trim piece, we just slid it in behind our bracket and put another screw in right there. Did the same thing to the other side. So now we have this trim, and we're going to use the factory bracket to mount it back in the radio, mount the radio back in the car. So let's go ahead and get this thing wired up real quick, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, guys, so we're back inside the car. We got this thing wired up. Now, if this is your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Here at this channel, we like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point. And if I go over the wiring on each individual video that I do of one of these, it's going to add an extra 5 to 10 minutes. So what I did is I made one video showing you how to wire up a CD player. We actually go over the wire colors, the different types of connections, and all that type of stuff. That link will be down in the description. I also put a card in the corner. Some people may say every car is going to be different. That is true, but if you get the right harness for your car and understand what these wire colors are, then you're going to be good to go. So people who know how to wire up a radio, you get what you need in the removal. People who don't know how to wire up a radio, you get a secondary source. Now, if you're a Patreon supporter, then you actually get all the behind the scenes footage. Like I actually go over I do like steering wheel controls. I actually give you the wire colors. You can DM me and I will actually help troubleshoot your problem with you, and that's for the people who want to actually support the channel even more. So let's go ahead and get this thing put back in here, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, that's what it looks like, guys, when it's all said and done. I hope you guys found some type of value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links in the description and Patreon links in the description. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.